Hello everyone, this is Nick Cyber here and today I will review Boat Rugby, which is a portable Bluetooth speaker in the shape of a rugby. These are available on Amazon for about 1500 rupees. I have placed the direct link in the description so you can check that out. So let's start with the review. This is the retail box of Boat Rugby speaker. Inside the box you get the speaker, a USB charging cable, an aux cable, and the quick start guide. So this is how the speakers look. At the front we have two front firing speakers with a combined power output of 10 watt, and at the back there is a radiator for good bass effect. It is quite portable with about 8 inches of length and 3 inches of width. Well, it is in the shape of a rugby, so you can easily hold them in your hands. The overall build quality of the speaker is really good and worth appreciating for its price tag. It is completely enclosed in a metal speaker grill and the joints are made of plastic. This rubberized strap provides excellent grip when you hold them in hands. At the top you get buttons for controlling volume, play and pause music, and the power button. To turn on the speaker you just have to hold the speaker button for 2 seconds, and to turn off just hold it for 3 seconds. You can play back music through Bluetooth or by using the supplied aux cable. There is also an inbuilt mic over here which can be used while calling. I didn't expect it to produce this loud and powerful sound at this price point. The amount of distortion at higher volume level is less. I own a Micromax TV and it comes with a 20 watt speaker. The sound gets very distorted when I switch to max and it's so unpleasant. But even with the small size and less powerful speakers, the sound produced in Boat Rugby is quite clear and completely acceptable for the price. The bass is little boomy and gets mixed with the treble, so these are good for pop music. Anyway, you cannot find anything much better at this price. I'm quite impressed with the battery life. I charged it for 8 hours before first using, and after using it for a couple of weeks, I think the playback time is same as claimed by the manufacturer. There is no battery indication, so no way to know how much battery is left. You have to charge it for 4 hours for completing a full charge cycle. There is no fast charging or so, but considering the price, you shouldn't be asking for it. Also, there is a small LED which light up when you plug the speaker into a USB power source. Concluding my review, I would say for this cheap price, it's a stellar deal. You cannot get something much better at this price point. It is portable, powerful, comes with good build quality and Bluetooth connectivity option. If you are searching for a Bluetooth speaker at this price range, then you should definitely give these a try. The Boat Rugby is one of the best Bluetooth speaker in this range. So that's it from the review. If you liked the video, then please click the like button below. If you are interested in more videos like this, then feel free to subscribe to my channel. I upload video reviews for all the products that I buy from Amazon India. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.